In the previous video, we covered several methods for earning from Google Maps. We learned about the method of adding an office or company to Google Maps. We also learned how earning can be done through Google Maps, specifically by searching for clients' customers to create a website for them. In this video, we're going to explore 3 additional methods. These include ranking improvement for your office or company on Google Maps, effective social media marketing strategies, and responding to comments on Google Maps. Before we begin, please like and subscribe to the channel. To work on Google Maps by increasing reviews, ratings, and comments, simply go to one of the review selling platforms and you'll typically find the packages structured as follows. There is one free review provided per registration, and the cost varies based on the number of reviews or ratings you request. With these packages, you must determine the price for the service you offer the client. You can provide them with a review daily for 100 days, costing $100 in total. Thus, you're able to make 100 emails and then access the site using an IP masking browser such as Tor browser. And each time, make sure to log in with a distinct email address to obtain a free review for your client. You can also place orders this way, and within 100 days or 100 logins to the site, you can get 100 reviews, which means $100, or depending on the price you agreed upon with the client. Additionally, you can place an order on microservices platforms by looking for individuals offering to sell Google reviews, for example on CumSat or Microworkers. Once you've received the review, it's essential to provide a professional comment. Simply writing 1 or 2 words is insufficient. The 4th method we will discuss is social media marketing. So, one of the most effective strategies for earning from Google Maps involves, if a company is already listed on Google Maps and also possesses a website, you can then proceed to the subsequent phase, which entails locating their presence on social media platforms. If you cannot locate any social media presence for them or a video on YouTube, you should contact the owners of the company directly. Then, you can offer to establish and manage their social media accounts across various platforms, or even take over the administration of these sites for a specified financial compensation. Regarding responding to comments, it presents an accessible pathway to earning from Google Maps. This role functions as an independent position within any company, given that customer service is paramount to the triumph or downfall of any venture. Therefore, answering customer inquiries and questions is a very important source for gaining customer trust. It also motivates customers to become loyal customers. The winning strategy here is to propose to the office or company owner the service of responding to all comments in the best possible way and resolving all client-customer issues for a good financial compensation. This should be done after requesting all possible information and details about the company, enabling you to respond with expertise and knowledge of the place and its capabilities. The intention here is not to mislead users or deceive them. These have been the most significant methods through which you can start earning from Google Maps. Share your questions with us in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.